Naisip namin na magkaroon tayo ng Rockstar Beauty under Rockstar Beauty Corporation with our business partner and the board of members and the board. Tinignan namin yung the business side of it. Kasi di ba marami tayong mga followers, mga believers, even OFW na gusto magkaroon ng side income with very minimal capital lang. So sa Rockstar Beauty kasi, we'll be producing skincare products and soon. So, pwede kang magbenta, pwede kang maging distributor namin with only minimum amount of 10,000 pesos. So, imagine with your 10,000 pesos na nasa bangko lang, na nakatabi lang sa wallet mo, nandiyan lang sa bahay mo, kikita ka. So, mabubuhay yung entrepreneurial spirit sa'yo. So, kahit kahit empleyado ka, kahit nasa bahay ka lang, pwede kang magbenta online. So, that's the reason why we go to or we opted to have Rockstar Beauty. And besides, it's a consumable product. So pag nagkaroon ka ng clients, gagamitin niya yun in how many weeks, and after that, bibili siya ulit. So we find it like sustainable and scalable. Ang target market natin dito, dalawa yan. So yung user, you can use it, anyone can use that. Yung design ng aming o yung ingredient namin product, you can use it. And sa business side naman po, even students can have it as their sideline. Students, employed, or anyone, pwede ka maging part ng Rockstar Beauty. Nakikita natin ang Rockstar Beauty 3 years from now, madami na tayong business center. We can help different OFW na makauwi na sila dito sa Pilipinas para magkaroon sila ng solid business. And we also see it na maraming Pilipino ang gagamit na nito. Ano mo yung culture ng Rockstar Beauty nasa kanila na lalabas yung Rockstar power nila that they can do, that they can use their skill, their potentials to help themselves, their family, and like yung sinasabi in the church. One of the purposes din ng Rockstar Beauty is to help OFW o kahit dito sa Pilipinas na magkaroon ng passive income. So you can be one of our investors. So nandiyan ka lang po you can still work as an OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, while your money na nasa bank lang na hindi kumikita, kikita po siya by investing sa Rockstar Beauty. Ang manufacturer natin, of course, namili tayo ng isa sa mga trusted companies dito sa Pilipinas. So, it will be manufactured sa isang company talagang pinagkatiwala natin, nagmamanufacture talaga. This is their business for many years na. So, credibility-wise, okay tayo. Naghanap talaga tayo ng kapartner natin na manufacturer. Anyone can use our products. And alam mo yung pag ginagamit mo yung Rockstar Beauty products natin, mararamdaman mo yung power na meron ka sa loob. At yung gagamitin mo siya, I'm a Rockstar. Ibig sabihin po kasi ng Rockstar, you are using your talents, yung potential na pinigay ni Lord sa'yo. Kasi hindi ka Rockstar pag yung power mo stagnant lang siya, nandiyan lang sa'yo, hindi mo na-discover, hindi mo nagagamit ng tama. So every time you will use our soap, isip mo na, wow, di ba? Meron akong Rockstar power. Okay, so sa lahat ng mga givers natin, OFW dito sa Pilipinas, you can be our partners, we're being one of our investors, or you can have your business center, or you can be our provincial distributor. Rockstar Beauty means you are beautiful inside and out, using your Rockstar power.